Thank you for joining me today. We're going to learn how to one-hot encode with TensorFlow, so similar to get dummies with pandas, one-hot encoding. So here what we're going to do, the best way, it only works, it's different than pandas, where pandas works on a string. You need to convert this first to numeric values, so integers usually. Uh, and so here I used label encoder from sklearn, and I fit it on the output. Oops, I fit it on the value. So kind of the standard sklearn workflow. So I fit it, and then I'm going to assign it to le.transform, and now the output. I'm doing a text generation workflow, and so for every character there's 36 characters. So now it is the value instead of the letter that it was before. Okay, and so then we would use to categorical in TensorFlow. So TensorFlow.keras.utils.to_categorical, and then you put in the value. In this case, it's a series, and num classes, and then the vocab size, the number of, so 36 would be the value that I'm using here, the number of different classes, and the output you can see here, or sorry, 38, I apologize. 38 is the size right here, and I have a big data set, so 1.2 million rows, and 38 columns here. So now our output vector is one hot encoded. So now it's a sparse output. If you give this to your model, you don't use sparse though. You use categorical cross entropy. When you use just a one column vector is when you use the sparse categorical cross entropy. So with this version, one hot encoded target, you do not use the sparse categorical. You use just the regular categorical cross entropy. Just a little tip. Anyways, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.